A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is emotional energy and the cosmic bond, rewiring the brain for higher purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, human consciousness is neither isolated nor accidental. It emerges from a profound design rooted in biology, shaped by experience, and guided by unseen currents of the cosmic intelligence. At the center of this design lies the brain, not merely an organ of perception and memory, but an interface wired to evolve through thought, feeling, and energy exchange. What enables or obstructs its potential is not solely information or logic, but the unseen force of emotional energy generated, modulated, and directed by a dynamic yet often under recognized system, the emotional energy dynamo. The body functions as a biological energy generator. The heart, lung, gut, nervous matrix produces essential energy to power mental processes, drive cognition, and sustain aspiration. Yet, the final quality and usability of this energy depend on emotional modulation. The emotional energy dynamo amplifies or suppresses this energy flow based on internal states and external relationships shaped by family, health, values, thoughts, and spiritual alignment. This emotional dynamo works not in isolation, but within a web of energetic relationships. Each bond formed with people, nature, or divinity serves as a conductor for emotional energy. The quality of these bonds determines how efficiently emotional energy is produced and how meaningfully it rewires the brain. Emotional energy not only drives decision making and resilience, it shapes the quality of memory storage, learning, and future behavior, making brain rewiring a continuous, lifelong process. The bond model mirrors principles of molecular chemistry. No energy exchange without connection. In human experience, emotional bonds begin at birth, first with the mother, then gradually expanding to caregivers, environments, and ideals. These bonds form the blueprint for emotional patterns that later influence self-perception, cognition, and interpersonal orientation. However, if the emotional network remains rooted only in transient or circumstantial experiences, Brain rewiring is subject to variability. Negative or chaotic stimuli can degrade the quality of neural connections. By contrast, cultivating a stable, expansive emotional bond, especially with the universal source of intelligence, activates higher guidance and coherence. This cosmic connection, when consciously formed, aligns internal energy systems with the larger field of order and direction. In doing so, it triggers the spiritual energy dynamo, amplifying emotional energy to a higher frequency, reprogramming the brain for clarity, resilience, and purposeful action. What's the way forward? The path to rewiring begins with conscious alignment. Emotional inputs must be curated through values, relationships, natural rhythms, nourishment, and reflection. Yet, the pivotal step lies in activating the cosmic emotional bond. This reconnects the seeker with the source, downloading guidance, energy, and intuitive intelligence. Through this spiritual alignment, the emotional energy dynamo stabilizes and strengthens, turning emotion into power and clarity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita offers a powerful parable. On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna stands paralyzed, conflicted, and overwhelmed. It is not data or argument that rewires his mind, but the emotional bond with Krishna. Through trust, surrender, and cosmic dialogue, his brain rewires. Confusion transforms into clarity, despair into purpose. Krishna affirms, wherever there is Krishna and Arjuna, there shall be victory. This is not only a declaration of divine support, but a timeless truth. When emotional bonding fuses the seeker with the source, the energy system aligns for optimal action. Victory in this framework is not conquest, but coherence, not domination, but direction. The rewired brain, powered by conscious emotional energy and cosmic alignment, becomes a vessel not just of survival, but of significance. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.